Hi everyone, Mahendran here. I'm really happy to connect with you in this invitation to AMA with Mahendran session, mainly for trainers, coaches, experts, small business owners, and people who like to create and share their knowledge and experience with the people. It's dedicated for them. The reason is we want to contribute to the sustainable development of the world, and as well as the individuals. Through that, we want to contribute to the sustainable development of the world. So, what is the session we are going to learn? Like new things we are going to learn now. Forthcoming session, it's a Facebook live streaming using OBS. So people who like to learn how to do live streaming in Facebook, they can join. Especially this much customized way. Whatever you are seeing, the same tool I'm used to record this also. Okay, you can use the same tool to live stream as well as recording. So that's the tool we want to learn. If you like to learn before the timeline, you can also download that tool and you can do it. But in this session, we are going to learn how to download that tool, how to verify that tool, how to install that tool, how to do the live streaming using that tool, how to record the content using that tool. All the things we are going to learn. So if you are interested, you can join the session. Also, if you think that it will be useful for any of your friends and colleagues, you can share with them. The very simple method to join this session is I have shared the link to joining the session below. Ask me anything with Mahendran. This is the only link you need. Every time you want to join, you can use this and you can join. The sessions are happening in Tamil as well as in English. So you can register for anything which is comfortable for you. You can, if you want to join, click Tamil session or here AMA Tamil or English session or AMA English, anything. So then you will get the option to give your names and email ID, mobile number. Then you can register. After that, you will get the notification to access the your meeting details within your email. Then you can join the session. That's the first way. Second way, you can log into learn.magitechacademy.com after registration with the same email ID or mobile number, whatever you are used for registration. From that, you can also get the access to the meeting. That's it. Very simple. And you will get the intimation mail just before 30 minutes of the meeting. That also you can use it to join the session. So the sessions are scheduled as of now 17th July in Tamil and 18th July in English. Both are 11 a.m. sessions. So you can join. Sometime I'm keeping it in the evening, sometime in the morning. So whatever, like now you can join these sessions if you have time and things important to learn this, and many more topics also listed. It's a forthcoming session. More than that, like anytime if you have questions, you can ask here. That I will also based on that input, I will also create new sessions that you can use it and join and learn continuously throughout the process. Like that's what we are making it happen. So I will see you inside the session. Thank you for joining this introduction and invitation. And I will also like to contribute to your sustainable development. Also, from that, you can also contribute to the sustainable development of you and your family and to the world. We can together contribute to the sustainable development of the world. I will see you in the next update. Thank you very much. Let us meet inside the session and learn and implement Facebook live streaming using OBS. Thank you. I see you inside the session. See you.